Hey everyone, before the video starts, I just wanted to thank you for coming by to watch the video. We are on the road to 5,000 subscribers. We just figured it would be a fun little project to document these girls' lives. They're both shelter dogs. We got them when we moved out to California about a year ago. And hope that you can join us for the journey. Yeah, so this video is going to be a reaction video to Arya, right here, Arya, and Faye, right here, trying anchovy for the first time. Isn't that right, girl? All right, let's get into it. Thanks again. Oh, stay. All right, go ahead.